Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install BTWB app in your device. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store and search BTWB. There you can see BTWB WOD tracking. Then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app. Then enjoy using BTWB to help you with your fitness journey. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.